Okay, so Kaushik, good morning to you, and let's start with your Snap HR for NMDC. So Kaushik, introduction from your side.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kaushik Sarkar. I hail from Nadia district of West Bengal. I did my later stages of schooling from Jamshedpur, and then I did my BTech in mechanical engineering from Asansol Engineering College. My father is employed as an engineer in the private sector, and my mother is a homemaker. My final year project was in designing and modeling of Tesla turbine, and my hobbies is to trek and to maintain a journal in my free time.
So Kaushik, I want you to tell me something peculiar, special about Nadia, Jamshedpur, and Asansol.
Sir, Nadia is sir, actually a fusion pot of many cultures, sir. It has many different religions and cuisine associated with it. And the peculiar thing about it is that the school of logical reasoning, or you can say Tarak Shastra, originated from Nadia in our country. It was known as Navya Naya, and that gave us many important logicians of 15th and 16th century. Jamshedpur, as you know, sir, of the Jharkhand region, it is the most industrial city. It is completely operated by the Tata groups, and there are many particular industrial sectors in the particular in that given place, sir, including Tata Steel, Telco, and there are other also industries of Tata, that is the tin making unit of Tata, that is Tinto. And for jump and another one, sir, you asked Asansol. Asansol is the most populated city of West Bengal, and it is also given the place of metropolitan city, and it is known as the land of brotherhood, and also commonly known as the land of black diamond.
So which place did you like the most out of these three?
Sir, out of these three, sir, I liked Jamshedpur the most.
Why?
Sir, it was very well organized city, sir. Means the city planning and the architecture, and if you want, you will not get easily lost in that particular city, sir, even if you're a newcomer to the city. So
Okay.
that is one benefit, sir.
Okay. Now Kaushik, do you know where you will be posted in NMDC?
Sir, NMDC, sir, I think I will be posted in its operation region at first, sir. That is particularly Baladila iron ore mines, that is located in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh.
So tell me, Kaushik, you have some preference of posting where you want to get posted?
No, sir, I don't have any particular preference, sir. I will be suitable anywhere the organization deems me fit.
Okay, so you mentioned about Tesla turbine.
Yes, sir.
Define me in one line what is so good about this technology.
Sir, the number of moving components in a Tesla turbine is very much low in comparison to that of a conventional turbine, and it is easy to manufacture.
Okay, is that the only advantage?
No, so that is not the only advantage, sir. The other advantages is that the fluids that can corrode the surface of the turbine in a conventional case, or that have suspended particles in it, which can otherwise cause pitting corrosion, will not cause the corrosion in case of a Tesla turbine.
Why
Because
this name Tesla?
sir, Nikola Tesla actually invented and patented it. Therefore, based upon its inventor, it is named Tesla turbine.
Okay, you are maintaining journal.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of that?
So journal is an personal record of day-to-day activities and events that occurs. It might not be on a regular basis, but it
How frequently
usually.
do you write it in 1 month?
So in 1 month, I usually write 4 to 5 times, not more than that.
And how long? How
Sir, how
many?
long? Usually, sir, it is a small page. I think A5 or that size page.
And what do you
Usually,
write in that?
sir, any event that occurs, means any interesting or peculiar events, or when I get frustrated, I actually, to calm myself down, I write a journal because it
Okay.
gives me a clear view of things.
What if somebody catch hold of your journals and reads?
Sir, actually, it will be an embarrassing situation for me because he might be associated with my life, and
Okay, I have
sometimes,
advice to give you.
yes, sir.
Just remove all your journals before you get married.
Definitely, sir.
Because if your spouse gets hold of it, you'll be in trouble. What is the advantage you have when you see
Sir,
your
advanced.
journals?
So using my journal, sir, I think whenever I feel stressful, and this stress is due to overthinking, the writing a journal actually gives me a clear idea of what is occurring wrong, or am I just simply overthinking it too much? And maintaining a journal actually allows me even to take an introspection in my thinking way, how it has changed over the period of time, sir.
Do you remember
Because-
some great personality who used to maintain the journals, who used to write the journals, diary writing or something?
Sir, I think the Abraham Lincoln who started that. He
Think
was
of
a
Indian.
Sir, Indian. I am not aware, sir.
Okay. So Kaushik, tell me 3 things in you
Yes, sir.
which proves your candidature for this job.
Sir, I am a team player, sir, and I possess a knack for problem solving. And along with that, I think this post demands a certain degree of communication skill. So I believe I possess these things in moderate quantity, sir.
Okay. So Kaushik, now let me give you the feedback. यार वो 3 चीज अभी तक बहुत अच्छी नहीं निकाल के ला रहे हो.
Okay, sir.
Sir, first is total commitment and passionate for my job.
Okay.
Sir, I'm totally committed and passionate for the job in my hand. Commitment और passionate एक ही word में आ गया, ऐसा कुछ.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Number 2, I tend to identify my goal with the goal of organization, goal and objective of organization.
Yes.
मैं उससे identify कर देता हूँ. And third, आप बोलोगे commitment for the organization, commitment for organization. जॉब को लेके पैशन,
Yes, sir.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लेके कमिटमेंट, और तीसरा मैंने आपको बताया, तीसरा क्या था?
Commitment for the organization, sir. Commitment for the organization.
वो तो हो गया, जॉब
Sir,
को लेके हो गया.
सर आपने
organization को
पहला वाला बोला सर committed and passionate in job, then I tend to identify my goals
हाँ.
with the goal of the organization, and third
जॉब,
वाला.
हाँ बस ऐसा कुछ बोलो यार, ऐसा कुछ बोलो.
Okay, sir.
जॉब को लेके सर कमिटमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लेके ऐसा, ये बोलो.
Okay, sir.
एज एम्प्लॉयर मेरे को लगना चाहिए ये लड़का है जिसको मैं रखूं. ये काम को लेके भी पैशन है, जॉब को लेके, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लेके भी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी पसंद है, काम भी पसंद है, बचा क्या फिर?
Yes, sir.
भाई तुम शादी करवाने नहीं जा रहे हो. अगर मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं, शादी के टाइम पे मैं तुम्हें शादी के लिए देख रहा हूँ, राइट? यू वांट गेटिंग मैरिड, आई एम इंटरव्यूइंग यू. तो अलग तरह के ट्रेड्स आके निकल के आने चाहिए, राइट?
Yes, sir.
कि मैं एक फेथफुल हूँ, मैं ट्रस्टवर्दी हूँ, मैं वेरी हम्बल हूँ. वो शादी के लिए जा रहे हो, ये जॉब के लिए जा रहे हो. जॉब के लिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि काम कैसे करता है और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कमिटमेंट, वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को स्ट्रिक्ट करेगा कि नहीं. तो कुछ ऐसा बोलो, वो जिसे पिटे 99% लोग हार्ड वर्क करूं सर, मैं ये हूँ वो हूँ, वो मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. वो तो बहुत ही कॉमन बोल रहे हैं हम लोग.
Yes, sir.
दूसरा,
Yes, sir.
अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन अभी भी तुम्हारी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं बनी. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. टेस्ला टर्बाइन नाम ले लिए, लेकिन उसमें एक लाइन और नहीं जोड़ी. सर, टेस्ला नेम हैज कम फ्रॉम निकोलस टेस्ला, एंड वन लाइन आई वांट टू ऐड हियर अबाउट द एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस. वो एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन अभी भी तुम नहीं बोल पाए, उसको ढूंढो क्या है वो. आई विल टेल यू दैट. अगर आप प्रेजेंटेशन मेरे को दोगे तो मैं बता भी दूंगा उसको, टेस्ला टर्बाइन का एक लाइन, लेकिन इंट्रोडक्शन में बोल डालो उसको.
Okay, sir.
एंड जर्नल भी तुमने, मैंने पहले बताया था, जल्दी से बोल डाला. मेरे ख्याल से नेहरू डायरी, डेली डायरी राइटिंग नेहरू का था. इंडियन एग्जांपल सोचो, गूगल पे डालो इंडियन फेमस डेली डायरी राइटर्स.
Yes, sir.
तो वो जर्नल जो लिख रहा है वो भी तुमने जल्दी से बोल दिया. टेस्ला टर्बाइन आधा लाइन बोला, जर्नल आधी लाइन बोली. यहाँ से स्कूलिंग वगैरह किया, नाडिया, जमशेदपुर, आसनसोल. मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा इन सब में जगह सबसे अच्छी कौन सी लगी? तुम ट्रैप में आ गए. तुमने बोला सर हर एक जगह में पेक्यूलियरिटी है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई लाइक जमशेदपुर बिकॉज ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड थिंग, यू कांट गेट लॉस. आई लाइक आसनसोल, you get lost in the nature. I like Nadia, people are so friendly. So I like everything because of peculiarity. That is वो एटीट्यूड चेक कर रहा था कि एक जगह पसंद है क्या. क्वेश्चन पूछने में वो तुम्हारी हमेशा पर्सनैलिटी चेक करता है.
Yes, sir.
और तुम उस ट्रैप में भी फंसे. तुम जमशेदपुर चल पड़े, और जमशेदपुर को तुमने पसंद कर लिया. कंपैरिजन हर एक में अपनी स्पेशलिटी है. You ask me why do I like Delhi, you ask me why do I like Bombay, you ask me why do I like Hyderabad. I'll tell you Hyderabad because खाने वाने का वहाँ डोसा, इडली सर मेरे को बहुत ही पसंद है, और लोग बहुत ही हम्बल हैं, सब कुछ. दिल्ली में सर, दिल्ली में एस्पिरेशन फायर होता है. बॉम्बे सर लाइफ एंड हेक्टिक लाइफ है. वो मतलब हर चीज की पेक्युलरिटी. स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑन दैट लाइन.
Okay, sir.
होता है एचआर में, राइट? तो दिस इज व्हाट इस फीडबैक का, ये जो आज का हुआ उसके बेस पे ये फीडबैक है.
Yes,
वर्क
sir.
ऑन दैट. मेक योर इंट्रोडक्शन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग.
Okay, sir.
Okay.